Morning friends, I and my colleagues are going to tell you something about Apple again. Apple is a Apple Incorporation, well known as foundation, Apple Computers Incorporation. It was started by Steve Jobs and Steve Wozniak. It is well known for its designs, develops and sells computers, personal computers and softwares. It was its well-known products are iMac for client computers, iPad for tablet computers, and iPods for music. And it is and Steve Jobs. These are Steve Jobs. Steve Wozniak. Steve Jobs, as you know, and Steve Wozniak. And this is introduced by
the name and logo of the company. The name was taken by Steve Jobs himself, and the first logo of this Apple company was designed by Ron Payne. He was the co-founder of Apple company, and the first logo showed that Sir Newton is sitting under the apple tree and thinking about gravity. This is the first logo in 1975. Then this is 1977. This logo was designed by Ron Janoff, and in this logo there is a rainbow color, but they are not in order. Then in 1977 again, Steve Jobs himself designed a logo which is solid in color, and then this is current logo at 2006. Thank you.
Hello friends, I am going to tell you something about Steve Jobs' vision and mission. First of all, Steve Jobs' vision was to create the change man, to tell that man is the creator of change in this world. As such, he says that we should always be ahead, one step ahead of machines and systems and not subordinates to them. He says that Apple is committed to bringing the best personal computing experience to students, educators, creative professionals, and as well as consumers around the world through its innovative hardware, software, and internet offerings.
I will talk about the best known products of Apple, which includes the hardware line and the software products. The hardware line includes the Macintosh line of personal computers, iPod, portable media player, and iPhones. The software products include Mac operating systems, iTunes media player, where we can download songs all over the globe. iLife, that is iMovies, iTunes, iPhotos. Final Cut Studios, that is video editing. The start of Apple was like in 1975. Steve Wozniak was working for Hewlett Packard. He was also known for his manufacture of calculators. He realized that the prices of some computers parts had gotten so low he could buy them himself. He decided to work with his fellow office Steve Jobs, build their own computer. And on 4/1/1976, he released Apple I and started Apple Computers. The first Apple had 8 GB of RAM. This is the first Apple which was launched on 1st July 1976. Apple from 1976 to 1984, this was the first Apple. Apple II, which was introduced on 16 April 1977. Apple III, May 1988. This is Apple Lisa, introduced on 1st January 1983. And Apple Lisa II, introduced on 1st January 1984. This is the Macintosh, January 24, 1984. This is the well-known computer.
Lokesh Shah, here to give some details about the competitors of Apple. The major hardware competitors of Apple are Hewlett Packard, Dell, and IBM. In addition, Apple competes with Microsoft in many areas of personal computer software industry. IBM, International Business Machines. Apple and IBM jointly developed the PowerPC line of central processing chips to compete with Intel and its Pentium line of central processing. In December 2004, Lenovo Group Limited, the largest information technology of China, acquired IBM's personal computing division. After that, we will be by
I'm here to tell you about the SWOT analysis of Apple. The main strength of Apple is one of the oldest hardware manufacturers in the world all over the globe. They have control over the products. You cannot use it the way you want. You have to use it the way you want. High quality of the product, easy to carry product. If you see a Note 2 and an iPhone 5, you can keep 2 iPhone 5 at a time, but not one Note 2 because it's too big in size. Easy to carry, so it's huge consumer base loyal to Apple. If you use an Apple 4S or 5, you cannot use any other Android phone. You will have that loyalty to buy an Apple phone again. Product weaknesses, there are weaknesses in every company, so does Apple also have. They focus on internal engineering other than marketing strategies. High price, the main weakness of the product, high price. Consumers face problems about the faulty battery. One lot of Apple which was made was the faulty battery. That one lot had all the batteries were faulty. Had difficulties in some of its products, quality control, not issued dividends. If you buy any share of Apple, they don't give you dividends on that, return dividends. Opportunities, many opportunities in the market. Less expensive new product. They are working on this. They are working on this, as Sir said. Product line is functional and attractive. Flexibility to its user. iPods available to communicate. If iPods are made available, so the feature of calling is there in that. There will be more sales they will have more sales in the market. New car models with iPod connectivity. Most of the cars don't have that iPod connectivity in them, so they can work on it. Threats, pressure from the competitors. They have many competitors all over the globe. Substitution effect. There are many Apple phones you will get, like China Apple. Apple, you will get many things just for 5 or 6,000. So they make copies of that. Technology changes at a rapid rate. Technology keeps changes every 15 minutes, you can tell. So they have the threat of technology itself. Forced to develop new product. If they don't want to make a new product, then also they have to make it if they have to stay in the market. If you are working, this is said by the great Steve Jobs. If you are working on something exciting that you really care about, you don't have to push. You don't have to be pushed. The vision pulls you.